Day 24 from 0 to WordPress 0 end of the year challenge. And today we're talking about how to add a button to our WordPress website and how to link it up. So without wasting much time, let's get on to it. Yesterday we talked about how to change the color of a text. Sorry, we talked about how to edit a text, changing the typography and size. But today we're talking about how to add a button to our WordPress website and how to edit it. So without wasting much time, let's get on to it. So the first thing you need to do is to find a section you want to input a button to. So let's say, for example, I want to input a book now button into this section, alright, because this is the service section, and I want to input a book now button into it. All I have to do is come to this plus sign and click it, and then find the button element, and then drag it to the particular spot I want it. So as you can see now, there is a button there now. So the button will come automatically with the color of the site, the default color of the site. Alright, so to edit that, you can come to style, and then the position, you can decide to put it at center, you can put it at the right hand side or the left hand side. So I prefer to put it at the center. And also the typography, you can change the typography from here. You can do everything we did yesterday from here. Alright, so the shadow, you really don't have to work on that, except you want to beautify your website more. So another thing you can do is you can change the color of the text from here. So let's say I want to change the color of the text. The color of the text now is white. Let's say I want to change it. As you can see now, the color of the text is changing. Alright, so changing the color of the text is as easy as that. Let me change it back to white. Alright, so you can also change the background. You can the background is blue right now. You can change it to whatever color you want. Let's say I change it to black. So as you can see now, the background is now black. So another thing you can do is the border radius. So what the border radius does is that it makes the edge of the button to be rounded. Alright, so this is what it does. As you can see now, the edge of the button is now rounded. Before it wasn't like that. Let me take it back. So as you can see, it's not rounded now. But if I should increase this, I can easily make it rounded, and I can decide to make just one part of it rounded. Come here. If I want to make just one part of it rounded, all I have to do is to unlink the values and then work on whichever one I want to make rounded. So as you can see now, the top of the button is now rounded, and the other ones are just normal the way they are. So the other thing we can work on is the over. So over means when you move the mouse over the button. So if you want changes, you can work on that. So few things you can change. You can change the typography. You can change the text color. Alright, so let's say if mouse goes over I want the text color to change to white and the background color to change to sorry, I want the text color to change to black and the background color to change to white. So as you can see now, the change is now there. So this is what over does. And also you can also make the transition time. You can work on the transition time, and then the animation that comes with the transition, you can choose whatever one you want, one that goes with what you are building or what you really want. But the most preferable one is the glow. As you can see, it will just glow over it, and that is very zone. You can also work on the border type and all of that. Do you understand? So basically this is how to edit a button in WordPress. And also the advance is to move the button around, the margin and the padding and everything. I'm still gonna make a video about that, so I don't want to talk too much on it. So from here you can easily change the text on it. Book now. From here I can change the text on it. So once I have the link of the form, or whatever I want to link the button to, I can easily input it here, and I'll be good to go. So another thing I can do is I can decide to put an icon to the button. So if you have an icon, you can easily upload it and you'll be able to use it. But if you don't have an icon, you can make use of the icon library. There are a few icons you can make use of depending on what you want. Alright, so let's say I make use of this. So as you can see, the arrow is now there, so I can decide to put it at the extreme end, or I can put it here. Alright, so the spacing, you can work on the spacing too. So if you want much spacing, you can put it, and if you want small spacing, you can only put it. So this is how to add a new button to a WordPress website, and this is how to edit it. So thank you. This will be the end of the video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, please drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.